तो गाइज़ हम आपको इसके पहले वाली वीडियो में मैचुरेशन फेज तक बता दिए थे और जिसमें हम आगे बी पढ़ेंगे स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द spermatid into spermatozoa is called spermiogenesis. The spermatid is in the form of a typical cell containing the nucleus, Golgi body, mitochondria, centrioles, etc. But it contains only haploid number of chromosomes. During the differentiation of the sperm, all these organelles undergoes change. फर्स्ट चेंजेस इन न्यूक्लियाई होता है. द न्यूक्लियस ग्रेजुअली डिमिनिशेस इन इट्स साइज बाय लूजिंग वाटर. द chromosomes become concentrated and are closely packed. The weight is reduced to effect easy movement. All the achromatic substances, nucleus and RNA disappear. In the spermatid, the nucleus is spherical in shape. Gradually it changes its shape and attains the shape characteristics of the species. In most of the animals it becomes elongated. The nucleus of the spermatids moves to an eccentric position. The cytoplasm streams towards the tall, leaving only a thin layer covering the nucleus. ये है स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस का फिगर, आप देख सकते हैं. आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट्स भी ले सकते हैं और आगे आप अपने से भी समझ सकते हैं. तो हम दूसरा चेंजेस देखेंगे. चेंजेस इन द गोल्जी बॉडी. द acrosome of the sperm develops from the Golgi body. In an early spermatids, the Golgi bodies are in the form of membranous vesicles arranged around a group of vacuoles. The small vacuoles gradually fuse together to form a large vacuoles. It is now called proacrosomal granule is developed. The veil of the acroblast spreads over the front part of the nucleus. The acrosomal granule enlarge to form the acrosomal granule. The acroblast is now called acrosome, which form the cap of the sperm. Third changes in the centrosome. The centrosome of the spermatids contain two centrioles. The centrioles are in the form of cylindrical bodies lying at a right angle to each other. They move towards the nucleus and occupy a position behind it. A depression is formed in the posterior surface of the nucleus and one of two centrioles become placed in this depression with its axis at right angles to the main axis of the sperm. This is proximal centriole. The other centriole, called the distal centriole, takes up a position behind the proximal centriole with its axis parallel to the longitudinal axis of the sperm. The distal centriole develop a filament-like structure called axial filament. ये भी है स्पर्मियोजेनेसिस का फिगर, आप इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. तो आगे हम इसमें पढ़ेंगे. द डिस्टल एंड ऑफ द एक्सियल फिलामेंट is free from the cytoplasmic sheath. It is named end piece. In this aspect, the axial filament resemble the flagellum or cilium. जिसमें फोर्थ चेंजेस है इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. The mitochondria of the spermatid are aggregated together to form a large mass in the region of the centrioles. This is called mitochondrial cloud. In mammal, the mitochondrial cloud becomes twisted spirally around the proximal part of the axial filament. are clumped together in a compact mass. This region forms the middle piece. Around the surface of the middle piece, the cytoplasm forms a condensed sheath called menkite. And fifth changes है in cytoplasm. When the acrosome is developing, the cytoplasm flows away from it in the opposite directions, leaving only a thin layer with the plasma membrane covering the acrosome and the nucleus. The main bulk of the cytoplasm is then attached to the region of middle piece. At the same time, the tail is growing out at the posterior end. After the mitochondria have arranged themselves around the base of the axial filament, the remainder of the cytoplasm is stripped off from the sperm, leaving only a narrow sleeve of cytoplasm surrounding the mitochondria in the middle piece. When the spermatozoa are developing, their head are embedded in the cytoplasm of the Sterling cells and their tails protrude into the lumen of the seminiferous tubules. When they are fully matured, they are released and are carried away by the ciliary movement of the lining of vasa differentia to the यहाँ पे वासा इफ्रेंशिया है टू द वासा डिफरेंस, मतलब वासा इफ्रेंशिया से वासा डिफरेंशिया में जाता है. दे आर स्टोर्ड इन द सेमिनल वेसिकल टू बी रिलीज्ड व्हेन रिक्वायर्ड. द स्पर्म determining the male and female. In most animal, including man, two types of sperm are produced. They are the sperms determined